Let's pull it out and see what it looks like.
I have to say, it didn't come with a lot of wrapping, which is a little odd to me, but
Definitely lightweight packaging.
yeah, like plastic around it. Okay. We will see what it looks like when we get that plastic off. And we went with the black one.
Yes, 6 feet tall, 4 partitions.
So this is a 4-panel.
Want to see what it looks like? 4 panels? Woo!
We're gonna do a test because I wanted you guys to see that you can't see through this, because sometimes when I get home, I just like to take off my dress, take off my bra,
Ooh, I want to see.
and it's just a nice place.
Oh, look at that. You can't see any of her. Wait, I see a little bit of blonde over here.
You can hide behind and nobody can see you. This is actually a really good one. I like it.